Recent strange phenomena captured by surveillance cameras. Unusual natural phenomena. Orb lights. Recordings of glowing orbs or mysterious objects moving in the sky or on the ground without a clear explanation. Rare weather events. Footage of unusual thunderstorms or clouds forming in strange and uncommon patterns. Paranormal phenomena. Ghosts and spirits. Numerous videos claim to show ghosts or spirits with mysterious shapes moving around without any apparent mysterious shadows. Recordings of shadows moving unnaturally in areas where there is no known human activity.